First 99 action taker get instant access to Ecco done for you plus profit accelerator. Average user saw 246% increase in profit, worth $1,997. Enter a keyword, article, PDF, or even a URL. And Ecco I will turn that into full audiobook or podcast. Create a full audiobook that you can publish on our marketplace or any other marketplace. You don't need to write a word of the script. Ecco will take care of that. It's not an audiobook if it's not narrated. You need to hire a professional voice actor that will voice out your script and give you about 5 hours long voiceover. That will then need to be reviewed and edited over and over until you have the final file. And on average you can expect to pay anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 for just one book. Gone are the days of spending weeks researching and writing a book script. No, we can do that in seconds with AI. We can either feed it from an existing material that we have, or we can let it create something from scratch from us. We just give it our keyword or niche, and it will do the rest. There is no need to use weird and complicated converting apps. We made it smooth as butter to use Ecco. It generates audio that can integrate with any app. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Doesn't matter what app or software you are using, Ecco will be the perfect fit for it. Ever heard of Joe Rogan? He is a billionaire. All from starting his own podcast. And I'm not saying that you will make billions with this, but it will get you started on the right track. You can create your first podcast in any niche you want, with just a few clicks. And this will give you exposure to hundreds of thousands of people all around the world. Always wanted to start your podcast? Now is the time, because Ecco will create an interactive podcast for you, completely by using AI. No need for any equipment, recording, or editing. Ecco is not just for audiobooks. It comes with 660 different human voices in 80+ languages. This means you will be able to generate voiceovers for anything in 30 seconds or less. Do you use VSLs in your business? No need to hire expensive voice actors anymore. With Ecco, just upload your script, and it will do it for you in seconds. Yes, with Ecco, you can just plug in any URL you want, or you can upload a document, PDF, or article. Basically anything. And Ecco will turn it into a complete audiobook within seconds. With Ecco you don't have to add a source even. You can just add a keyword, and it will automatically create an audiobook based on that keyword, without writing a single word, or researching anything. Finally, start your podcast with Ecco. Let it create an authentic and human-like podcast that you can start broadcasting on any platform you like. No need for you to record or edit anything. We get all of that done for us. You don't have to limit yourself to audiobooks and podcasts. Ecco can do so much more. You can generate voiceovers for anything. Ads, videos, webinar, courses, reels, testimonials, or even voiceovers for TikTok videos. Ecco is the only app that comes with a built-in marketplace that has over 2.3 active users, ready to buy your audiobooks. And the best part is, you can receive instant payments via multiple methods, including PayPal, Stripe, cards, and bank accounts, and keep 100% of the money you make. Ecco comes with over 660 human voices to choose from, both male and female. Not just that, but it comes with multiple accents. So, no matter what your market is, you will find a voice that suits you. Yes, you don't have to restrict yourself to only English. There are billions of other people who speak other languages. And with Ecco, you will be able to reach them. We don't have to write anything, Ecco will even generate any script and content we want and narrate it for us. It can be an audiobook, podcast, VSL script, video ad script, and more. Ecco comes with a Siri/Alexa-like command center. You can create your audiobook without even writing or clicking. Just tell Ecco what you want, and it will do it for you. Just copy one line of code, and embed any audiobook or voiceover generated by Ecco on any website, platform, or blog. No technical setup, and no coding required. Ecco is not just another audiobook generator, Ecco is an AI brain that will do everything for you. it with a better language model than ChatGPT-4. Which will. There is zero risk for you. You get to try Ecco for 30 days, and if you don't think it's worth its weight in gold, just send us a message, and we will process your refund. So far, I own about 11 AI apps, and none of them can even hold a candle to Ecco. It's the only one that actually contributed to my business positively. We use it every single day now, and it saved us thousands of dollars. Thanks, Sai. I never thought I would publish a book, let alone an audiobook, but guess what? With Ecco, I did that in a few minutes. Yes, minutes, not days, not even hours. But the best part is I actually made money from those audiobooks every day. I made about a couple $100, 100% hands-free. To be completely honest, I still don't know how the entire AI thing works. But what I know is that now I publish a new audiobook every day. And sell close to 100 audiobooks every month. It doesn't get easier than this. You guys created the impossible, haha. I'm a college student and I can barely spare a few minutes a day for any project outside my college. And guess what? I was able to make $3,593.45 in my first month of using Ecco. If you're on the fence, don't think, just do it. Sai and his team created something that is the closest thing to a guaranteed results. And they even offer money back guarantee. So there is no risk for you. I now make an average of $300 to $400 daily. Doesn't matter how much money you have. As long as you can follow simple instructions and have a few minutes per day, we're good to go. We did it over and over. With people from all over the world. Or Kelly A from London, UK, who pulled in an additional $6,481.95 in passive income with his Ecco account. World's first AI app that lets you create audiobooks or podcasts in 660 different voices and 80 languages in 60 seconds or less. Publish your new audiobook to our marketplace with 2.3 million active users. It doesn't matter what your niche is. Ecco got you covered. It will let you dominate any niche. Without a sweat. It works for. We no longer do any of the traditional marketing. It's so boring and tedious. And it's in no way as profitable as AI. Now, all what we do is use Ecco. That's exactly what we did to take one of our accounts from $0. Turn any keyword, URL, article, PDF, website, or a document into an audiobook in 20 seconds or less. Worth $9.97/mo. Access our marketplace with over 2.3 million active users and publish your audiobook for massive sales. Worth $997. This will allow you to also operate Ecco, even from your mobile phone. Whether it's an Android, iPhone, or tablet, it will work. Worth $497. Have a question? Just reach out to us and our team will do their best to fix your problem in no time. Worth a lot. After you get access to Ecco, you will get instant access to a bundle of bonuses that are designed to 10x your results in half the time. This is not just random bonuses. Every part of this took us months to develop and perfect. And today, all of it will be yours for free. Get VIP access to our live mastermind event and copy and paste our Ecco underground system we use to make six-figure in 60 days. This alone is worth 5x what you will pay today, and it's yours for free. Unlike anything else on the market right now. Ecco is tested and proven to work over and over. We spent 17 months testing it before releasing it to the market. But not just us. You will be joining hundreds of profitable members who use Ecco on a daily basis to generate results like this. In simple words, Ecco is priceless. It's the first to a market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you. Profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it. But I make enough money from using Ecco. So I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis. So I don't see why not I shouldn't give you access to it. So, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Ecco for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner. Which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Ecco. While Ecco is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So, sadly I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can.